A mother of two who have gone missing since last evening was found dead under mysterious circumstances in Manipur River under Kumbi police station today. Sources say that some fish farmers of Wangoo Awang Leikai spotted the body of the young housewife floating in Manipur River this morning. The deceased has been identified as Loitongbam ongbi Memisana, aged 33 years, wife of Rojen of Wangoo Awang Leikai. She is survived by her husband, a 5-year-old son, and a 3-year-old daughter. Memisana reportedly went missing since yesterday around 4:30 p.m.
I do not want to forgive say you the late got a gang you made the top tragedy. Tia got to the story. I said, no, you see, they hide the people. What could the seed of the never time away. The way that my power.
Moina. Angangse hauju mioi bana chi ba haibase isingda khudakta chira khudaka takol ka do banati moina adwai ngahak tangi pung aniung gi matam du da moina angangse hatuaga isingja thada bani
langda mi bo isengda lai mi bo khulai si ju matai nak ka
aduna moina hatu ga thada bani aduna aina pambadi mai leina basingna fajana thigapi
adugi mai no pasna e isingda ta me thengna re hadi ma khitang da su chingkhapi raga e
pibam thoidana adu su chingkhapi
police kari kara ngai bai kai mathau tai magi nupi masabu isingda tare mai da songsale ha ga yenga lai ba nupa ji karam nupa no akhoin ha badi maramu hingon leikai pa da banate e ma da law da no khotana e ai nupi smai tar me ai chingkhatana khokatana ma kitang doctor nu tar pubi da no khopi da sibu sira nu ma na bu hala nu thamoi ji pe loidra mai nupi bu isingda tare haraga ma na pau pi raga lep tana yengna le nu basta bu akhoina kamaina mangonda chingna roi dei no ha ba wari da adina akhoi di mangonda yam ching nei man ha moin hat ba soi den oirong gani khuchi je yam tin ching da